Western Sydney Airport is hugely important for the people of Western Sydney and for Sydney as well as Australia.
Western Sydney International is the first major commercial airport built on a greenfield site in Australia for over 50 years.
Western Sydney's first airport, not Sydney's second airport, important distinction. A very rare greenfield, new build, ground up airport, pretty much a unicorn in aviation architecture.
And it'll be the most innovative airport within Australia, scheduled to open in 2026.
We wanted to make this airport uniquely Western Sydney. We are very proud of where we are, we are very proud of the diversity in Western Sydney, and we wanted that represented.
So a place that when you step off the plane from overseas or you're coming home, you know you're in Western Sydney, you know you're in Australia. The ceilings are pretty crucial. So they are a very visual part of the original reference design, but they're also, I think, the most successful architectural interpretation of the narrative.
There's a beautiful wave through it. That wave actually reflects the Blue Mountains. I had the great benefit of running through the whole bid phase with Multiplex, and I really enjoyed the way they approach the procurement process.
When we bid on a project, we're always looking to add value, and on this project we definitely saw an opportunity where Multiplex could add value and optimise the design.
So during the bid process, it was important that we kept evolving the reference designs. So always maintaining that architectural narrative, but improving the customer experience, the customer journey wherever we could. Making sure that we were really focused on flexibility and adaptability, making sure that the airport could change the way that they operate the terminal over time.
We tried to simplify the construction because we wanted to make it more efficient, we wanted to make it safer to build, and we wanted to increase the productivity. In doing so, we enhanced the design, and that led to a lot of passenger experience and operational benefits for the terminal.
We have looked at the world's best airport examples, and we've taken those ideas and applied them to where we can throughout this terminal design. We took the client on the journey through a number of ways, but mostly through visuals. We visually demonstrated the changes rather than just speaking to drawings.
This included using video imagery, animations, model, full-scale mock-ups, and creating a full-size collaboration facility where we could project developing plans and floor plans at a one-to-one scale.
Multiplex's use of the life-size plans to take our stakeholders through the experience was excellent.
Our scope includes construction of a 110,000 square metre terminal building. It's an integrated domestic and international terminal building, spanning over 4 levels, incorporating a leading-edge baggage handling system. This is a massive project.
Multiplex has put together a great design team, an airport planning team. That's critical to something as complicated as an airport.
We identified and assembled a team of key individuals and key consultants, organisation who had significant global aviation experience, who understood the aviation industry from an airline, an airport and customer experience perspective.
Well, I've worked with Multiplex a lot in my career, and I think Woods Bagot and Multiplex have worked a lot together, so it does feel a little bit like family to me, but it's a big family.
My experience working with Multiplex and the supporting consulting team has been fabulous.
I get quite emotional going out there every morning as you go over the hill into the site and seeing the actual terminal and the precinct take shape. It's quite rewarding to be part of such a transformational project, and I can't wait to fly out of there.